Every year, choking is one of the leading emergencies among children, and it can happen in seconds. Imagine your child suddenly stops breathing while eating or playing. Would you know what to do? In this video, we go step by step through life-saving first aid techniques for choking in both children and infants. Welcome to Mini Medics, where we make kids' health and safety simple for parents and caregivers. Today, we'll cover everything about choking first aid. How to recognize choking, what to do for children and infants, common mistakes parents make, and when to call for emergency help. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. In a real emergency, always call your local emergency number right away. What is choking? Choking happens when something blocks the airway and stops a child from breathing properly. This can be food, toys, coins, or even small household items. In a partial blockage, the child can still cough or make some sounds. In a complete blockage, they cannot breathe, talk, or cry, and this is a medical emergency. Knowing the difference is important because your response will be different. Recognizing choking signs. So, how do you recognize choking? The child may clutch their throat, their face may turn red or bluish. They may be silent, even though they are clearly in distress. Breathing may sound noisy or wheezy. If the child is coughing strongly, let them continue. Do not interfere. But if they can't breathe or are silent, act immediately. First aid for children over 1 year. If the child is choking and cannot breathe, here's what to do. Stay calm but act fast. Panic wastes precious seconds. Stand behind the child and bend them slightly forward. Give 5 firm back blows between the shoulder blades with the heel of your hand. If the blockage doesn't clear, move to 5 abdominal thrusts Heimlich maneuver. Wrap your arms around the child's waist. Make a fist, place it just above the belly button. Grab your fist with your other hand and thrust inwards and upwards sharply. Alternate between 5 back blows and 5 abdominal thrusts until the object comes out, the child can breathe again, or emergency help arrives. Tip: for smaller children, kneel down so you are at their level while performing thrusts. First aid for infants under 1 year. Infants need a different method. Never perform abdominal thrusts on babies under 1 year. Here's what you should do. Sit down and hold the baby face down on your forearm, supporting the head and neck. Keep the head lower than the chest so gravity can help. Give 5 firm back blows between the shoulder blades. If the blockage doesn't clear, turn the baby face up, still keeping the head lower than the chest. Give 5 chest thrusts. Use 2 fingers in the middle of the chest, just below the nipple line. Push down sharply about 1.5 inches. Alternate between 5 back blows and 5 chest thrusts until the object comes out or help arrives. Remember, be gentle but firm. Infants are fragile, but the thrusts need to be strong enough to dislodge the object. If the child becomes unresponsive, if at any point the child becomes unconscious, Call emergency services immediately if you haven't already. Place the child on a flat surface and check for breathing. Begin CPR if you are trained for children. 30 chest compressions followed by 2 rescue breaths. For infants, 30 compressions with 2 fingers, then 2 gentle breaths covering mouth and nose. Continue CPR until emergency help arrives or the child starts breathing. Common mistakes to avoid. Parents often make mistakes during choking emergencies. Avoid these. Don't stick your fingers blindly into the child's mouth. You may push the object deeper. Don't shake the child violently. Don't give water or force them to drink. Don't delay by waiting too long. Act fast and call for help. Prevention tips: prevention is always better than cure. Keep small objects like coins, beads, and buttons out of reach. Cut food into small pieces, especially grapes, hot dogs, and nuts. Never let kids run or play while eating. Teach older kids to chew food properly. Always supervise meal times for infants and toddlers. So friends, choking can happen anytime, but with the right knowledge, you can save your child's life. Learn these steps, practice them, and stay prepared. If you found this video helpful, please like, share it with other parents, and subscribe to Mini Medics for more child health and safety guides. Stay safe and see you in the next video.